Hello everyone, welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. If you want to speak English confidently in real-life situations, this video is for you. Yes, today we are learning English with a bus driver. This is a very common daily life situation, but many learners feel shy or confused. In this lesson, we will teach you simple, polite, and natural English sentences that you can use while traveling by bus. Please listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and imagine yourself inside a bus. Here is a scenario. You are standing at a bus stop. You see a bus coming, but you are not sure if it is the right one. You can ask the driver politely, "Excuse me, is this bus going to the city center?" "Yes, this bus goes to the city center." "Does this bus go near the hospital?" "Yes, it stops near the hospital." "What time will the bus arrive at the market?" "It should reach the market in about 15 minutes. Thank you for the information." You're welcome. Now you are getting on the bus. Always greet the driver politely. "Good morning." "Good morning. One ticket to the railway station, please." "Sure, that will be 30 rupees. Here is the money." "Thank you. Here is your ticket." Sometimes you may have questions about payment. Use these sentences. Do you accept digital payment? Yes, you can pay using your phone. Can I buy 2 tickets? Yes, 2 tickets are available. Is there a student discount? Yes, please show your student ID. Now you are inside the bus. You may want to ask about seats or comfort. Is this seat free? Yes, you can sit here. Is this bus usually crowded? Yes, it gets crowded in the evening. How long will the journey take? It will take around 40 minutes. This is one of the most important parts. Many people miss their stop because they don't ask. "Excuse me, where should I get down for the shopping mall?" You should get down at the 3rd stop. Please tell me when my stop comes. Yes, I will inform you. Thank you so much. No problem. Sometimes problems happen. Let's learn how to handle them politely. "Excuse me, I think I missed my stop." "Don't worry, get down at the next stop." "My ticket is lost." "It's okay, please be careful next time." "The bus is very crowded today." Yes, it's rush hour. Time-related questions are very common. You can ask these. What time is the last bus? The last bus is at 10:30 at night. How often do buses come? Every 15 minutes. Now you want to get off the bus. Use polite English. Please stop the bus here. Okay. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Have a safe journey. Let's learn some useful words. Bus stop, ticket, fare, crowded, rush hour, get down, last bus. Try to make your own sentences using these words. Repeat after us slowly. "Excuse me, is this bus going to the market?" "How much is the ticket?" "Please tell me when my stop comes." "Thank you for your help." If you practice these sentences daily, you will feel confident speaking English on a bus. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video and subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor. Comment below and tell us which sentence was most useful for you today.